Hello and welcome to my channel. Hi, I'm Wendy J. Haney. This is a special video because a while ago I was showing you how to do a block for a mountain and a block for a pine tree that I said would be perfect for borders. Well, I went and put together a quilt that incorporated those, and this is the finished quilt. Yep, finally got it finished. The reason for this special video also is because this quilt has been donated to the Patriotic Pick. Jill Wagner and her husband David live in Tellico Plains, Tennessee, not far from here, and they put on an event every year that supports the Special Operations Warrior Foundation. And that is a foundation that helps children and provide education, career advancements for kids of fallen special operations personnel, children of all medal honor recipients, and children of active duty special ops who have lost a spouse. It helps those kids from cradle to career so that they have that opportunity to get a career and have that paid for. So this quilt is now up for auction on an eBay auction. The link is below, and you have until September 27th to go out and bid on it. There's also some other things from Jill as well that you can put in a bid to have a private dinner with her and her husband on their farm. That's pretty special, and so I'm hoping you go out and check out those links. On the back of this quilt, I have made sure that it's whoever gets it realizes and understands what they bought it for. And that is, on the front, there is an embroidered block that indicates it's for the Patriotic Pick at Scott Mansion Farms. And then on the back, I've indicated it was for Patriotic Pick in Tellico Plains, September of 2024, and then it's for the Special Operations Warrior Foundation. So plenty of things on that quilt to commemorate what it is for and what you're spending your money on to support these kids and these families. So I hope you go out to that link and check it out. And remember, you don't have a lot of time. September 27th, I'm guessing probably around 10 a.m. that morning, Eastern time, to go place your bid for this beautiful quilt. Take care, and thank you so much for watching and supporting us all.